How's it going, guys? So I know I've talked about this a little bit in the past few days, but I've been using my Bitcoin mining rig to just play around with cracking some passwords of different kinds, kind of just for fun. And I was using it on Linux Mint and Ubuntu, but today I finally installed Cali on it. I have Cali on some other machines, I just didn't have it on this, and I decided it was just so much easier to actually install Cali with all the tools already pre-installed on it versus trying to install everything on Ubuntu that I was going to use. So, and I have tried, I guess I've done a little bit with, well, I've done mostly, I've worked with Hashcat. Can hardly say it right. So I've worked with Hashcat, and then there's another one that I'm experimenting with, which is John the Ripper. And then there's another few different kinds of hash cracking tools, but that's what I've been doing. So I'm not sure if you guys are super curious about what you can use your mining rigs to do other than mining, but these are super powerful computers. I know I only have 4 GPUs. I know a lot of people who have 8 or 12 and they have multiple rigs. I mean, this one specifically can support up to 13 graphics cards that I only have 4 on it right now. So they are really powerful computers, and if you ever decide that you don't want to be mining with it 24/7, you can do a lot of really cool stuff with it. So just thought I'd throw that out there and talk a little bit about what I've been using mine for. Just kind of during the day, and then at night, of course, I have it mining. So anyway, that's it for now. Thanks you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.